All right, and we are waiting for Arnav to come. All right, let's just wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start the class.
Okay.
All right. In the last class, I told you about representation of relations, right? Fahad, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. We studied about representation of relations, right? How to define a relation. We learned about 3 forms. One is set builder form, roster form, and arrow diagram, right?
Yes.
No doubts in that?
No.
Let's solve a question on that. If A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and B set is 8, 6, and 10. The condition is both the numbers are even. Then you have to represent this in roster form and in arrow diagram. All right. Try to solve this one. The question is clear, Fahad?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, done.
All right. So what is the roster form?
2, 8,
2, 8,
2, 6, 2, 10,
2, 6, 2, 10,
4, 8, 4, 6, 4, 10.
4, 8, 4, 6, and 4, 10. Absolutely right. Any other element?
No.
An arrow diagram?
In one circle, 2 and 4, in the other 8, 6, 10, and we'll join.
In the first circle, what are we going to do?
2 and 4.
No. We have to draw all the numbers, right? We have to write down all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then in the second set we have 8, 6, 10. So again we are going to draw all the numbers, and we are going to join the numbers that are related.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And there should be arrows. Clear?
Yes.
All right. Just note it down, the arrow diagram part. And let me just ask if Arnav is coming, because today we are going to do is very important thing. All right, just give me 2 minutes. Otherwise, we'll move on. All right, let's move on. So this is all about relations. What is a function? And this is very important. All right, what is a function? A function is a relation in which every element of set A is related to one and only element in set B. Right, note down the definition. I'll explain what this means. All right. Done.
Done.
All right. Suppose I give a set A. If I ask you if this is a relation or not, what will you say?
Yes.
Yes, this is a relation. 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. Now, what is a function? Function is a relation. That means a function must be a relation. So this is a relation. So first condition is complete. Now, second condition, every element of set A. That means each element of set A is related to. That means we cannot leave any one element of A. All of them must be related, right? This is clear. We cannot leave any element of A outside. All right.
Okay.
One and only element of set B. That means one should be related to only one element of set B. 2 should be related to only one element of set B. Same for 3. Is it clear?
Okay.
So we have two conditions. Each element of A is related to an element of set B. Second is must be unique, right? One cannot be related to 2 also. One must be related to 1 only, right? One can be only related to only one element. Clear? Please note it down, the example also.
Okay.
Done, Fahad?
One second. Yes, I'm done.
All right. नहीं. All right. See, now you have to focus on one thing. The conditions we have applied is on set A, not on set B, right? We have said all the elements of set A must be related and would be connected uniquely. We did not say anything about set B, right, Fahad?
Yes, sir.
So we can leave elements out of set B also. They can be not related or related. We don't care about that. Also, if I write 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 3, 1 is uniquely related to an element of B, 2 is uniquely related to an element of B. So this is also a function. We don't care about if 3 is related to many elements. 1 should be connected to an element of B uniquely. Is it clear, Fahad?
Okay.
So always focus, the conditions on A are required. There is no conditions on set B. All right?
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes.
All right. Let me give you an example. My favorite example, how to make you understand this very clearly. This is set A, this is set B. Always assume this is the set of all sons in this world, and this is the relation of fathers. All right. This is the way to remember this. If I write A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there is a son, then he must have a father, right, Fahad?
Yes.
And only one father, right? So A can be connected to only one of these 6 elements, right? He can have one father and one father. But if there is a father 6, he may or may not have a son, right?
Yes.
So this is the way to understand functions. All the sons must have a father and must have only one father, but there is no conditions for fathers. They may or may not have a son, right?
Okay. Sir, can there be 3 groups of elements like A, B, and C in a function?
3 groups of elements. I don't understand what you are saying.
A, B, and another one C.
All right, you are saying
Yes,
like
yes,
3
yes.
sets.
Yes, sir. 3 sets.
No, this is called composite function. This is in class 12. All right.
Oh,
This type of function is possible, but this is in class 12. What happens is, if you put A here and you receive 1, then for this function you will be putting 1 as the domain, right? 1 as the input, and you will be receiving, suppose, Z. So if you mix it up, you will receive one single function where you put A as the element and you will receive Z as the output. All right, but this
Yes,
is not in sorry.
and can we make the what do you want? The arrow diagram for three elements, like for three sets A, B, and C.
Right. The arrow diagram is also possible, but that is in class 12th. All right,
Oh, okay.
yeah, that is called composite functions. All right.
Oh,
If you want, then after this chapter is finished, I'll explain how to do that. All right, if you're interested.
yes, sir.
Small topic. All right, but first we have to understand this two section, right? Then only we can move on to third.
Yes.
So again, any son must have a father and only one father. The father may or may not have a son, and also one father can have many sons, right? One can have a son named A, B, C, and D. This is okay. This is a function, right? Because all sons have a father and have only one father, right?
Yes.
So this is a function. We don't care about if 2 has a son, 3 has a son, 4 has a son or not. We don't care about any of that. We only care about the sons. Is it clear?
Yes.
All absolutely clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
So whenever someone asks if this is a function or not, what you have to check? Check if one son is related to two fathers, right? For one x, we are getting two y's, right? If that is the case, then that will not be a function, right, Fahad?
Yes.
All right. So let me give you an examples.
So can you give 1 minute?
All right, no worries. Right after that, solve this.
Yes. So what to do? Which are functions? So the first is a function, second is not, and third is a function.
First is a function, second is
not a function.
all right, this is a function, this is not, and third one,
Third is
third is a function. Are you sure about first one?
yes.
One has a father, two has a father, three has a father. Does four have a father?
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Is it clear? Right,
Oh,
Fahad?
yes.
So we don't care about set B. Only look for if all the elements of set A are related or not, and uniquely related, right? Suppose I join this 4 to R. Now this is a function or not?
So what?
Now is 2 a function or not? I joined 4 to R. So is this a function or not?
No,
No. Why not?
because 3 is not unique.
Right. Absolutely right. All right. So you are clear what to check?
Yes.
All right. So what does this first set represent? It represents a like the input, right? We are putting this value D and we are getting F, right? Related to means this. You remember F is the image of D, right? In relations we did that.
F is a
Image of D, right?
yes.
All right. So you can note down the example also if you want. Otherwise, we can move on.
So you can move on.
All right. Let's solve few questions. If x comma y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, then which of the following are functions? F1 is x comma y is equals to x plus 1. Here y is from set B, x is from set A. F2 is x comma y, x plus y is 4. F3 is x comma y is less than 4. F4 is x comma y such that x plus y is equals to 5. You have to tell me which one are function, which one are not. All right.
So how would we do this? I didn't understand.
Let me explain the first one, then you can solve the rest. See, they are saying x and y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. That means set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? See,
Oh.
if I replace this f as r, this is saying r is the relation of all ordered pairs x comma y, where y is equals to x plus 1, right? The same thing is written. I just replaced r with f, right, Fahad?
Okay.
No, right? The same thing is written. All the relations thing, because every function is a relation, right?
Yes.
And now x belongs from 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is also from 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are saying the condition must be y equals to x plus 1. So if I put x equals to 1, so the ordered pair is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 comma 2. The second one will be 2, 3, 3 comma 4, and 4 comma 5, right?
So this is not a function.
Why not?
So because there isn't any 5.
Absolutely right. There is no 5. So this ordered pair is not in the function, because 4 is not related to any element. There is no arrow for from 4. 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is related to 4, but there is no relation for 4. So this is not a function. All right.
Oh.
Now you are clear?
Yes.
Please tell me if, and very closely. All right. Try to solve this very closely, carefully. Okay. Take some time. Try to solve this very carefully. All right.
Sir, I didn't get it how to solve the third part.
All right, let me solve this. Second one, see how to, can you make ordered pairs of second one?
Second and fourth would be a function, but I'm not sure about the third one.
Are you sure about second also?
Yes.
See, can you tell me what the ordered pairs would be?
1 4 2 3 3 2 and 4 1.
1 4 2 3 3 2 and 2
4 1. 4 1.
4. All right. So there is no ordered pairs possible here.
No.
All right, let's check. How did you find out the ordered pairs? That is, you have to learn the process. All right, we are not focusing on the answer now. We're just focusing on the process. So how to find this ordered pairs? What did you do?
I put the value of the greatest and the least of, and then
No. See, try to solve it like this. First, put x equals to 1. All right. So if x equals to 1, what are the values of y? What can you put the values of y?
4.
4. All right. Now there is no element, right? Other element which satisfies this condition. So 1 comma 4 is one element. If x is 2, so what are the elements?
3.
All right. So is there any element which is related to 2?
4.
4. So 2 comma 4 will also be there, right, Fahad?
Okay, sir. I got.
Clear?
Yes.
Therefore, I am saying take your time. There is no rush. If you don't understand this clearly, then it will be an issue in the future, right? You are preparing for JE also, I guess,
Okay.
right? So this is very important thing to learn. So when you are trying to find the ordered pairs, take step by step. All right, put x equals to 1, then 2, then 3, find all the ordered pairs. Clear? So now we can say 2 is related to 3 also and 4 also. So 2 has two fathers. So that is not possible. This is not a function. All right.
Okay.
Clear? Absolutely clear, right?
Yes.
All right. Try to do next one the same way.
So, but there isn't any x, so how will we?
I guess this is x. Y
Oh.
is less than x. All right.
Oh.
Let me check the question. Y is less than x. All right.
Sir, this won't be.
This won't be a function. Why is that?
So because 1 can be related to 2, 3, and 4.
Absolutely right. So this is also not a function. And what about fourth one?
Fourth one would be.
Fourth one would be. Why? Because only 4 ordered pairs are possible. 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, and 4 comma 1. Right?
Yes.
So now this is absolutely clear. All right.
Okay.
All right.
So 1 second.
Let's see. All right. Note it down.
So done.
All right. Now there is one definition to know. Wait, my camera is. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Just my camera is not working suddenly. All right, just one moment. I think I need to end this and rejoin. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. No problem.
Yeah, just give me 2 minutes. All right. We have now I'm visible, right?
Yes.
All right. So if f is a function from a to b and a comma b belongs to f such that f of a equals to b, then we say b is the image of a and a is the pre-image of b. All right, this is basic definition. What this means is if we have two sets a and b, if you put a in the function and you receive 1, then we will say 1 is the image of a and a is the pre-image of 1. All right.
Again, you repeat.
All right. If suppose we get this ordered pair a comma 1, all right, what does this mean? A is related to 1, right? If you put a in the function, like in the previous question we had y equals to x plus 1. So if you put x equals to 1, we got y equals to 2, right? So 1 comma 2 were an ordered pair, right, Fahad?
Yes.
So what we'll see is 2 is image of 1 and 1 is pre-image of 2. Is it clear?
Pre-image. Okay.
Pre-image, image and pre-image. All right.
Oh.
Please write it down.
They're done.
All right. Domain, codomain, and range. Let f from A to B. All right. If you see anything written like this means f is a function from A to B, right? Two sets we need to create a function. So A, all right. This is read as function from A to B. Then A is the domain, B is the
Sir, isn't this
codomain.
same as image and reimage?
No, the elements, the elements are called image, right? In an ordered pair.
Oh,
If you put one, then you receive two. So two is the image, one is the pre-image.
oh,
But here, this set A, the complete set A is the domain. The set B, right? Clear?
yes.
All right. Set B is the codomain, and all the F images. F images means images under F, right? Images under F is the range of function F. Is this thing clear?
By F you mean the ordered pairs, right? The
No, by F means I mean function. We have named this function F. So function F.
yes,
Right?
one and two, two and four.
Right,
The
right. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4. If we have this, then all the images, which are images? 2, 3, and 4. Right. So images under F, because this ordered pairs we receive by the condition of F, right?
Oh, so this is called range.
Right. 2, 3, 4. I'll explain by an example. Just write it down. I'll explain what this means. All right.
Good.
So an example for this would be, if this is set A, this is set B, 1, 2, 3, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I connect 1 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 7, then domain is this whole set A. 1, 2, 3 is the domain. Okay, domain is 1, 2, and 3. All the set of A. Codomain is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The whole set B is codomain. In range is 5, 6, 7 only. All the images. All right,
Oh,
Fahad?
yes.
So whenever you try to find range, just find all the ordered pairs. If you write down all the ordered pairs, then the images would be range. All right?
Yes.
Note it down also. One question on this. Find domain and range of the function from A to B. A equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And f of x is equals to x square. This is the condition here. F of x equals to x square. The question is clear, Fahad?
So this is f of n equals to n square.
Yeah, this is the definition. You can replace f of x as y. Y is equals to, right? We always give a condition by which we have to find ordered pairs.
Okay.
Right? In the previous questions, we had y is equals to x plus 1. Here we have y equals to x square. But instead of y, we try to write f of x, right? Because it is a function of x. All right?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So please try to write down the answer here.
So domain would be. Wait. So then -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 would be the domain,
All right.
and the range would be -2, -2.
No, you only have to write down the images. And see, you write down all the ordered pairs. What is -2, comma?
-2,
If you have
2.
not 2, what is the condition? Y is equals to x square. If you put x equals to -2, then -2 square is,
Oh, sorry. I've written 4. -2, 4.
all right, -1, comma,
-1, 1.
0, comma,
0.
1, comma,
1.
2, comma,
4.
4. So this is the function, right? All the ordered pairs are there. So
So
range would
-2,
be,
1, 0, 1, and 2 would be the range.
no. Range is the second elements, right? The images,
Oh, yes. The second.
right? Far.
Yes.
So we have 0, 1, and 4 is the range. Clear?
Yes.
And codomain, what is the codomain here?
The codomain would be elements of B, 0, 1, 2,
Right?
3, 4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So is this clear now?
Yes.
All right. If you want to, then write it down. Next question. a equals to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, and f is from a to z. That is the integers, set of integers given by f of x equals to x square. You have to write down the domain and range and codomain also.
A minus 2. So what is this? F is 2, A is 2.
Sorry,
So F ratio A, what is this?
f is from a to z. Z is set of integers. All right. So here we have set a. This is -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2.
Okay, sir.
Z
Okay.
means all
Okay.
integers, right? Minus infinite to infinite. Matlab minus,
Yes, sir, I got it.
you take, right? Minus infinite, -2, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinite. So all integers. Don't write minus infinite here ever. That is very wrong.
Sir, what do we have to find out?
You have to find domain, codomain, and range. Same question.
Okay. So domain would be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2.
Absolutely right.
Range would be Z.
Range would be
Z. Minus.
Z. Are you sure? If you put x equals to -2, -2 will be related to it. Write down the ordered place.
No, sir, what domain is the set which is.
So you are saying this is codomain, right? You are saying codomain is Z,
Yes, sir.
right? Then it is okay. You said actually range, so that is why I'm asking.
No, no.
Right. So what will be range?
So range is 4, 1, 0, 1 and 2.
4, 1, 0, right? You don't have to repeat elements.
And 2 1. No, 4. हाँ सही हो.
All right.
Yes.
सही है फहद जी, आ गया समझ में?
जी सर.
ठीक है, कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं?
नहीं.
All right. So I think this is all for today. We a lot, I think, right? With confusing things. So what is your homework for today? You have to revise. Revise from when? From relations, right? We have to make the structure, relations, then functions. All right. Revise everything. I'll be sending you an assignment also. Maximum 2 to 3 questions. All right.
So where would you be sending the assignment?
You'll be receiving on the portal. You don't receive assignments.
So no, it doesn't work. It glitches.
All right, I'll ask the team. They'll send you on the group. All right, the group we. All right.
Okay.